Hello friends, welcome back to the Ice and Share channel. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Select Change Screen Time Passcode. Normally, if Screen Time is linked to your Apple ID, you'll see the Forgot Passcode option here. Oh, this option is missing. This issue can happen after an iOS update, due to Apple ID settings, or because of restrictions on the device. Method 1. Sign in your Apple ID. If the Forgot Passcode option doesn't appear, make sure you're signed in with the correct Apple ID. Tap Settings and tap your name at the top of the screen. Verify that you're logged into the Apple account that was originally used to set up Screen Time. Then check Screen Time settings again. Method to remove Screen Time Passcode with iPhone Passcode Genius. If you can't remember the Screen Time Passcode, and the Forgot Passcode option is unavailable, Ice and Share iPhone Passcode Genius can help you to remove the Screen Time Passcode with no data loss. This professional software is a highly recommended all-in-one solution that can handle various iOS issues, including bypassing the Screen Time lock. To get started, download and install the software using the link in the description. Launch the software. From the main software interface, select the Remove Screen Time Passcode feature. To start the process, you need to disable Find My iPhone on your iPhone. Then click Start to remove. The software will then begin the removal process, which specially targets the system files managing the restriction without affecting your personal photos or messages. After several seconds to a few minutes, the process will finish successfully, and your iPhone will automatically shut down and restart. When the phone turns back on, you will find that the Screen Time Passcode and limits have been completely removed, allowing you to use your application freely again.